Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, working on this Hammond AO39 speaker amplifier out of a Hammond A100 organ. Let me show you what I've done so far. Clean these posts so that the client will have easier time reinstalling the wires there, reconnecting the wires. So that's good. Of course, I've removed the old burnt transformer sitting over here now. That's good. Installed a brand new CE 30 microfarad filter can capacitor at 475 volts. Disconnected the smaller one there. I'll show you. So that's a completed installation there, almost complete, because I still have to take care of the ground here. That'll connect right here, but it's soldered in. I have all the wires connected to where they're supposed to go, so I'll be taking care of this ground when I replace this cap here. Okay, so I'll do that, finish that up. Other things I've done: replaced this resistor, the resistor that was here. It was this big giant resistor here. So here we go. This one was good. Replace this one, and this is good. So that's what I've done so far. Next, I'll be testing these. Then I'll go over here to this section and test each of these resistors and replace the ones that need to be replaced. Once I finish all of those, then I'll come back and I'll evaluate these capacitors. These here, and this one over here. What we got? Yeah, check these out. But these are more than likely gonna be good. But I'll test them. Let's see. Yeah, those usually last like ages and ages. But I'll check them out anyway. I'll test this resistor. There's another resistor that has to be tested. Sometimes this one is found to be bad. I'll check it out. And of course, by the time I finish doing all of that, hopefully the new transformer will be here. I spray cleaned these pots. This one, this. So I sprayed it with Deoxit 5. And and I've also replaced this. Replaced the resistor here. This was in here. This was in there. And so I was able to find these this particular brand of these ohmite resistors. Let me see, what are they? There you go, ohmite. So I bought several of these because these things are rarely, you rarely have to replace them. But when they swell up like this, it's best to go ahead and take care of that business and replace them. And that's swollen and burnt. So there's the replacement for it right here. All right. This tests good and this tests good. So no problem with that. And I'll check this as well. Okay. All right, so that's what this is what I've done and have yet to do with this amp. All right, so until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, on the job, man, making it do what it do, getting it done too. Till the next video. Peace out of here.